Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollarama small haul, and then I got a few things at Walmart that I wanted to show you guys. So we'll get started. We'll get started with the Dollarama haul. The first thing I found, this was at a different store on another day. I had found this Easter washi. So I picked that up. It was the only one that I saw. And it was just in a random spot in the Easter stuff. So I just went ahead and grabbed it. And then I saw this little paper punch. It's the Canadian leaf. And I thought it was adorable. It's so tiny. But it was only $1.25 at Dollarama. So I thought, why not? It was the only one at that Dollarama. So I figured I would go ahead and snag it. The rest of what I got this sheet of butterfly stickers for $1. There are a ton of them. The theme actually in this bag is pretty much butterflies. I just saw a bunch of different butterfly items and thought I would grab them. I got this storage box. I thought I could use that for like my pens and markers to put in here. So it opens on the top and then it has the inside in here. And that was $3. And if you can't tell, I love purple. The next item I got, hoping that this will work for my sticker collection. I don't have like an amazingly, large amount, but they are starting to get pretty full. So, I don't have anywhere to put them at the moment, so I thought maybe I would try. I saw somebody else that had suggested using something like this and thought, why not try it for myself? It's probably going to be a little annoying, but it's better than how I have them right now. I just have them stored in a plastic bin with all of my paper pads and stuff, which I'm working on getting those stored as well. So it's a work in progress, but this was only $2. Again, purple, my favorite color. Figured matching theme. The next thing I found were these large butterfly stickers. They are beautiful. This one is my favorite. And they were only $1.25. They're quite large. They are, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera, but they're like double there. So there's like a little, there's like a dot in the middle that's keeping them separated. So they are 3D. So I thought that these would be pretty nice to stick on something. Not sure what, but hey, why not? So the next thing I got were these butterfly clips. They were $1.50. They come in a pack of 6. Then I found these fabric butterflies and thought that would look really cute. Maybe on the cover of a journal or something. And these were $1.25. And then the last butterfly stuff that I found were these little wooden embellishments. There's 45 pieces in here. They also had a flower one, but I just decided to get the butterfly because these do have some flowers in here. So I thought these were adorable, and they were only $2. And the last items that I got were these tags. I got 3 packages of tags. This one was $1.25. There are 40 pieces in here, and they are yellow, pink, orange, and green. And they have the little like wire on each tag for you to use to hang it. This one is the rectangle. It's got 40 pieces, and it was also $1.25. Again, same colors. And then I found white ones, and these actually have 50 pieces for $1.25. I guess because they're just white. But, I mean, you could color them, paint them, I guess. Put, you know, cardstock on, you know, any kind of paper, fabric, anything like that on them. And I think that'd be really cute. And, yeah, it's wire. So, that is what I got at Dollarama. And then for Walmart, of course, my son was with me, so he wanted something from Walmart. So he picked out these little blind bags of Mario toys. They're Connects. He's already opened them, obviously. He got the Luigi and the Toad. He was hoping for Princess Peach because she's a cat, but no such luck. And my youngest son, I got him 2 of the Thomas Blind mini trains. And so he was excited about that. He loves trains. He loves anything with wheels. So I got him that. And then I got my husband this. It says, "Given enough coffee, I could rule the world." And he is a coffee addict. So I thought this would be perfect for him. I'm going to give this to him for Valentine's. Even though it's not, you know, it's not Valentine related, but I figured why not. This was only $6 at Walmart. I loved it. I figured he could take it, have it at his desk at work, or put it, you know, on his desk here at the house. Either way, but he loves coffee. I had made him a cross-stitch. If I framed a cross-stitch like canvas for him that had coffee, espresso, and all that all over it, and he's already taken that to work to put on his. And he has a little coffee cup squishy, and when you squeeze it, it makes the sound like you're drinking from the cup, and it's really cute. He loves it, so I figure he'll like this as well. And then the last, well, not the last, but I got myself some Reese's Pieces because, you know, when I'm out, sometimes I just need chocolate. But the last things that I got from Walmart were actually for myself because why not? And they're these little smushy mushies blind bags. So I figured, you know, go ahead and open them and see what I get. I just thought they were adorable. And it shows you on the back what you can, you know, which ones you can get. So I figured I'd open them up on here. Hopefully these will open. Oh, there we go. Comes with a little chain. Let's see. Comes with a little chain to put it on to make it so you can hang it. I got the little orange slice. It's a la orange. There you go. And they're little squishes. So I thought these were like super cute and super squishy, and I figured I would give them a try, see what they were like. This one also comes with the little chain. And this one is Shaya Sushi. So it's a little roll of sushi. They're pretty fast. They come back up pretty quick. So those were that series. This one are Besties. That, let's see. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if it's just a different color or what, because everything's saying the same on it. So I don't know. Oh, this one says Munchies. This one says Bakies. There you go. That's the difference. All right, let's see if we can open this. These have the little, a blue chain, or like a teal, kind of like a teal chain. Oh my gosh, and it's a s'more. So it comes back up pretty quick. This one is the super rare. All right. Some Mira s'more. All right, so I got lucky. I got a super rare one. And the second one can't be too super rare because, yeah, I got another one. So out of the 2 bags that I happened to grab from Walmart, these came from Walmart, I get both of them as the super rare. So maybe it's not as rare as they think. I don't know, but this one is a lot slower coming back up. This one actually is pretty good. He's slow. So there you go. That is what I got at Walmart and Dollarama. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.